boys and girls. Hello. Okay, great. Hello, Chicky. Hello. Let's sing the song Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Chicky monkey, that's right. Hello. Great. Okay, great. So here we go. Let's learn about farm animals. Farm animals. Look at this. Can you look? Look. Can you see a cow? 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 Show me a cow. Moo. Here it is, the cow. Very good. Cow. Great. Okay, show me a sheep. Ba, ba, ba. Where is the sheep? Sheep. Here, very good. Here it is, the sheep. Ba. Where is the horse? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Horse. The horse is here. Very good. Horse. Very good. Show me the pig. Pig, pig, oink, oink, oink. Where is the pig? Here it is, the pig. Very good. Oink, oink, oink. Great. Okay, where is a duck? Duck, quack, quack, quack. Can you see a duck? Here it is, a duck, duck, duck. Very good. Duck. Very good. Okay, great. Here now, can you see a cat? Meow, meow, meow. A cat. Here it is, the cat. Meow, meow. Very good. Okay, great. Okay, can you see a rooster? Rooster, rooster. Cockle-doodle-doo. Here it is, the rooster. Cockle-doodle-doo. The rooster, the pig, the cow, the duck, the sheep, the cat, the horse. That's right. And chicks here. Yes, chicks are here. That's right. Okay, so let's learn about farm animals. Very good. Here we go. Okay, now please tell me, what are these? Sheeps. Very good. Sheeps. These are sheeps. Sheeps. How many sheeps are here? How many? Let's count the sheeps. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 sheeps. 3 sheeps. That's right. Sheeps. Great. Look. What are these? Ducks, of course. Ducks, ducks, ducks. Ducks, ducks, ducks. How many ducks are there? How many? Great. Let's count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks. Great. Look. What are these? Horses. Very good. These are horses. 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 Okay. How many horses do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. These are 5 horses. Great. Look, what are these? Cows. cows. Very good. These are cows. That's right. Cows. How many cows are there? Let's count the cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 cows. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cows. That's right. Great. Look. What are these? Cats. That's right. Cats. These are cats. Cats. Okay. How many cats are there? Let's count the cats. 1, 2. 2 cats. 1, 2. 2 cats. Very good. Okay, look. What are these? Dogs. Very good. Dogs. Dogs. These are dogs. How many dogs are there? Let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 dogs. That's right. Here we go. Yes. Very good. Okay. That's right. Here now. Okay. Look at the picture. Look at this. Okay. Here now. Look. Who's this? The cow is here. Very good. And the horse is here. And what is it? A sheep is here. And the duck is here. That's right. Okay. Okay, here we go. Do you remember the song Farmer Brown Has a Farm? I think yes. Let's sing the song. Farmer Brown has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Okay.
Jack's music. One red fish.
Here we go. Let's sing the song. Farmer
1.
Brown.
Lessons 1. Hello song.
Okay.
6. Lessons 1. Unit 6.
Wait a minute.
Unit 4. Banana.
Okay, I'm sorry. Stop.
The hello song.
No, not hello. It's not hello. It's the song Farmer Brown has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Okay.
Unit 4. Lesson 2. Cheeky's Jungle Gym. Unit 4. Unit 4.
Okay.
Lessons
Here now
1
let's
and
sing
3.
the song
Farmer
Brown has a farm. Let's sing with me.
Farmer Brown
Has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a duck. Quack, 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 quack. E-I-E-I-O. Farmer Brown has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a neigh, 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 neigh. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. E-I-E-I-O. Farmer Brown has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Very good. Okay, here now today it's time for story. Okay, so let's say shh. It's story time. Shh. It's story time today. Okay, let's listen to the story.
Unit 4.
Good morning.
Lessons 2, 4 and 6. Good morning. Listen to the story.
this? It's a rooster.
There's a lot of noise on the farm this morning. Listen. A cow. Moo. A sheep. A duck. And a horse.
Moo. Good morning, duck. Good morning, sheep. Good morning, horse.
Good morning, cow.
Let's wake up Farmer Brown. Come on, everyone. Oh dear, a puddle. Let's jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Oh dear, I'm dirty. One, 2, 3, jump! Oh dear, I'm dirty. 1, 2, 3, jump! Whoa! Whoa, dear, I'm dirty.
Wait for me. 1, 2, 3, jump. Oh dear, I'm dirty too.
Uh-oh, we're in trouble.
Good morning, good morning. Wake up, Farmer Brown. Cow's dirty,
Help!
sheep's dirty, help. Duck's dirty, help. Horse is dirty,
Help!
Farmer Brown, they're dirty. Please help us now.
Oh dear.
Thank you, Farmer Brown.
Very good, great. Okay, thank you, Farmer Brown. Okay, here now let's say goodbye, Farmer Brown. Goodbye. Goodbye, cow. Moo, moo. Goodbye. Goodbye, sheep. Ba, ba, ba. Goodbye, duck. Quack, quack, quack. Goodbye, horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Goodbye, Cheeky. Goodbye, goodbye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.